How to reactivate your Messenger account on your iPhone 8 Plus. If you've previously deactivated Messenger and want to start using it again, just follow these simple steps. First, open the Messenger app on your iPhone 8 Plus. On the login screen, enter the same Facebook account that you used before deactivating Messenger. Type your email address or mobile number, then enter your Facebook password. Now tap Login. Once you sign in successfully, your Messenger account will automatically be reactivated. There's no separate Reactivate button, so simply logging back into your Facebook account is enough to restore Messenger. Also, make sure your Facebook account is active. If your Facebook account is still deactivated, you'll need to reactivate Facebook first, because Messenger cannot be reactivated without an active Facebook account. And that's it. Your Messenger account is now active again, and you can continue chatting with your friends and family. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.